So what'd you do?
Eh?
So what'd you do?
I do what?
What'd you do?
Didn't do fuck all.
So before we get too far,
I was doing a $140. That's what I was doing.
so we're not sure if the head gasket's blown or the EGR cooler, but we're taking this thing apart. Already started. The King Ranch.
Why you got a video of it?
You put it on YouTube.
Why?
I don't know, show off your truck.
You want to know everything you do in your work?
Sure, who knows? Maybe they'll pay me one day.
I do it.
I doubt it. So we got the intake all out, and what's the verdict? We're not 100% sure of anything yet. We don't know if the head gasket's blown or if it's still good. We know the cooler looks damaged. I'll show you right here. So if you look in there, part of the cooler is like pushed towards the engine side, which is pretty bad. That thing's loose, I could push it around. So, pretty sure the cooler failed. Not sure the extent of it. This is a Dorman cooler we put in a few years ago. Told my dad, if you really don't want to delete it and you're scared of emissions, whatever, we'll try to get a bulletproof cooler or something in there. But yeah, that cooler is definitely fucked. That fins in there should not be loose like that. It's a very dangerous game, actually. If that would break apart into little pieces, that could go right in the intake, right into the motor. So really hoping that's not what happened, because he did say it stalled and locked up and it was down on power. So we're not sure the extent of the damage here. I'm gonna try to find out. Try to get Dad's dually back on the road. So I probably went a little bit further without showing anything there. I got the intake on, new gaskets. My dad decided he's not spending $500 on a bulletproof diesel EGR cooler. So here we are putting a used cooler in. We pressure tested it. It's supposed to be a good cooler. Well, he says it's been pressure tested. Told me to put it in and shut the fuck up. So here we are. I got the intake in. I'm gonna throw the bolts in the front rad shroud here and that fuel line. We're gonna put the oil container and fuel bowl back on and get the thing all buttoned up, put the harness back in place, clip it all together, button everything up, put the turbo back in and test it out, see if that was the only problem. Hopefully that was all the issue, is the EGR cooler, and hopefully the head gasket's not blown, but we'll see. So it's all back together. We got the used cooler in there. There's no coolant. We're gonna try to start it and see what the fuck happens. Hopefully it doesn't lock up. Oh, Junior's got the freaking... Yeah, as much as this is good for testing stuff, clearly the thing won't start when it's plugged in. So, where does this go to? Where the fuck did that wire go? Oh, it's over there. So, it's just one thing. If you ever, won't work. So, if you ever need a safety feature there, just unplug that wire. Fucking batteries. Okay, I'm gonna tighten the batteries down and we'll try that again. Okay, so I also noticed those clamps were loose. We got everything tight, batteries tight. Time to try it again. Let's see. Yeah, his engine's locked up. His fucking batteries are fucking toast, man. Like, what the fuck is this guy even thinking? Oh, I lost all power. Maybe you fucking fried a battery. Holy fuck. Whatever, I'm done for the day there. This is fucking ridiculous there. Ah, fucking guy doesn't even know what the fuck's wrong with his truck. Just made me fucking rip it apart for fuck all. We'll see. Maybe once the battery's charged, it'll turn over. But as of right now, seems like it's trying to lock up again. But if you look over here, completely dead. So obviously it's not locking up. It's turning over.
Batteries.
So here's the injector we just pulled out of the truck. Not quite sure what that is. That looks like plastic. So we think the injector was stuck open or wasn't working. No, it looks like something got in there.
Let me see. And it should turn over like fuck out.
Oh, it's pouring fuel into it though. Oh. Stop. We can't do that. You gotta do it with this thing over here. You just filled the cylinder of fuel. You gotta do it with this wire because you just filled the whole cylinder of fuel so I can turn the key on.
Okay, well it's still plugged up, so it's not that injector.
We'll try it again.
Just loosen all 4 injectors on this side.
You just filled the whole cylinder of fuel. Try it again.
Yeah, but the injector's out, Matt. It would come up right like fuck off. No. Loosen all those 4 other injectors now. You're right there. Might as well. It's not gonna go. Okay, there's something fucking stopping it. Unless it's one on this side.
Unless the motor's fucked.
Hey?
Unless the motor's fucked.
How could the motor be fucked? We turned it over, fuck. Worst comes to worst, we're gonna put another motor in it, but that's, I don't think it's fucked. Hey, your belt's off too, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, just loosen those 4 injectors now. Put it back up.
There you go.
Was that the 3rd one?
Yeah. So this guy put the injector in loose, went for a ride down the road.
Fuck! Matt, I went to Ottawa with it for fuck's sake.
Yeah, but obviously you didn't tighten it properly.
No, that's not the
The
problem.
injector was loose, man. So obviously what happens, the fuel bypassed the O-rings and went straight into the cylinders and then locked it up.
Hey, it would have been smoking white or something if the fuel was going in there. It never did till it locked up. Don't ask me what happened. Pull that injector. Let's investigate that injector and change it. Okay? Yeah. You know what you're doing now. And then after that, we're going to do an oil change, and you're going to change both fuel filters. One on the frame, one down there. And I got no fucking teeth. I sound like fucking Elmer Fudd. If it goes, you're out to open the back door. Is there antifreeze in it? No, right?
No.
So, my thing's off. Plug me in.
Good, plug that wire in right there. See that red wire that goes to that thing right there.
Okay?
Okay.
For the starter? Hang on, plug. Okay.
Was not locked up, that's for sure.
No, it's not gonna lock up, but you need more juice. Where's that battery? That
got some ether?
Grab this battery, put those cables on before you run it down too far.
Yeah, I gotta try it out.
You probably have to turn it for a while because it's all empty with fuel. Okay.
understand it.
Clear the cold, shut it off while it's cold. So it only does it when it's cold. Okay?
Good.